Today, I'll show you how to install Gmail on Windows 11 so it works just like a native app. Since there isn't an official Gmail app in the Microsoft Store, we'll use the web app version through your browser. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. In the address bar, type mail.google.com and press Enter. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once Gmail loads, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. Then, go to Cast, Save and Share, and you'll see an option called Install Pages App. Click it. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. Click Install, and Gmail will open in its own separate window, just like a regular app. Now, Gmail has its own dedicated window without the usual browser tabs or address bar. You can also find it in your Start menu under Apps, or on your desktop if you want a shortcut. For even faster access, right-click the Gmail icon in the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. This way, Gmail is just one click away whenever you want to check your emails. And that's it. Gmail is now installed on your Windows 11 PC, running like a native app, ready for you to use anytime.